Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Galvanic cells are easy once you master the standard potential formula. We will find metal M's unknown reduction potential in 3 quick steps. First, we identify the standard cell potential formula, where the total voltage equals the reduction potential of the cathode minus the reduction potential of the anode. This is our starting point. Next, we plug in our known values. The problem states the total cell potential is 0.47 volts, and the copper cathode is 0.34 volts. Finally, we solve for the unknown anode potential. Subtracting 0.47 from 0.34 gives us exactly negative 0.13 volts. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs carefully and trust given values to avoid a common math rush.